Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy. I'm your social studies teacher, Patricia Dominic. This is the first lesson of social studies, and the topic is Delhi Sultanate. We are going to learn about the era of Delhi Sultanate, introduction of this era from 1206 to 1526 CE. It was the time when India, Pakistan and Bangladesh were not separated, but they were known as India or the subcontinent. This historical era is called Middle Ages or Medieval Ages of India. Medieval started in India when Mahmud Ghazni attacked in 1013 CE. It lasted till the revolt of 1857 CE. That means from 11th century to 19th century. Before we explore the history of medieval ages, we must learn about the meanings of BCE and CE. What is BCE and CE? Whenever I am telling about the year, I am saying BCE or CE. Let's see. BC means before Christ. Now we use the word or abbreviation BCE. It means before Common Era. Before Christ or before Common Era means the system to include years before AD or Common Era or the present age or the present time. Years are counted backward to indicate the numbers of years and the event had occurred before Christ or before Common Era. If you see in the diagram, year -1, -2, -3, they are showing the years which we have counted backward, and they are called before Common Era. First century, second century or third century before Common Era. Let's see the Common Era. What is Common Era? It was previously called AD, in the year of the Lord, and now it is called Common Era. It is the system for recording dates and almost everywhere around the world today. It is a method used to identify a year. It means a year or event take place in our time or the present time. Let us find the event took place in the medieval ages. Before we find out the medieval ages or we know about the Delhi Sultanate or the Delhi Sultanate dynasty, we have to find out what is dynasty. A powerful group or family that maintains its position for a considerable time is called dynasty. Like in England, over there, the dynasty of or rule of Queen Elizabeth is a ruling family, and it's their dynasty. So this is how the dynasty, we can understand word dynasty. Why people were attracted to the subcontinent? Look at the picture. It is the picture of medieval ages, and on the globe you can see India or the subcontinent, how it was attracted to by all the people around the world. The Indian subcontinent is a region with abundance of resources. A large coastline you can see near the Indian Ocean. It has the Eastern Ghat and the Western Ghat. Both sides were available for trade. river system, a favorable climate, flat and fertile land suitable for farming, and a wealth of natural resources. All these factors were behind the people around the world why they were attracted to the subcontinent. Now see the map of Sultanate of Delhi. The map of Delhi Sultanate the Delhi Sultanate was an Islamic empire based in Delhi that stretched over large part of the Indian subcontinent for 320 years, from 1206 to 1526 CE or Common Era. The 5 dynasties of Muslim kingdoms of Turkic and Afghan origin ruled the territory of Delhi and its surrounding areas. The area under their rule were collectively known as the Delhi Sultanate. Now, I have already explained what is dynasty, and here is the timeline of Delhi Sultanate. We can count the years and see that there were 320 years for this time they ruled Delhi. The Mamluk or slave dynasty, they started their rule in 1206 and it was last till 1290 Common Era, and for about 84 years they ruled Delhi and its surrounding area of the subcontinent. Then came the Khilji dynasty. It was another family, the Khilji dynasty. It started its rule in India in 1290 and last till 1320 Common Era, and for about 30 years they ruled Indian subcontinent. Then came the third dynasty, which is called the Tughlaq dynasty. The Tughlaq dynasty started their rule in 1320 and it lasts till 1413 Common Era, and for about 93 years they ruled the Indian subcontinent. Then came the Sayyids dynasty, another family. The Sayyid dynasty started their rule in 1414 years Common Era till 1451, and it is about 37 years they ruled the subcontinent. Then came the last dynasty, the Lodi dynasty. They began their rule in 1451 and their rule lasts till 1526, and for about 75 years they ruled the subcontinent. The last of their rule was overthrown by the Mughals, who established the Mughal Empire in India after the Lodi dynasty, and this is the end of the Delhi Sultanate. So let's see what we have learned today. Medieval ages of India, which began in 1013 CE and last till 1526 Common Era, and we learned about what is before Christ or before Common Era or what is Common Era. Then we learned about the Delhi Sultanate and its time period. Then we learned about the 5 dynasties which ruled the Delhi Sultanate. So this is all we have learned in this lesson. Now here it is your home task. Children, you will do 3 questions on a foolscape sheet. What is medieval age of the subcontinent? What do you understand by before Common Era and Common Era? And make the timeline of the Delhi Sultanate. Dear student, you can submit your homework on Monday in the school's office. with your name and class. Time for the submission is between 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So this is all about the first lesson. It is the introduction of the Delhi Sultanate. This is the end of part 1. We will meet again in the part 2. Thank you and stay safe.